Hi everyone, this is Anurag and you are watching Tech Keyboard YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to review Oppo F21 Pro 5G. Basically, this is 7-point review. If you are new my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for gadget review unboxing. It's the Oppo F21 Pro series in India. The latest series consists of Oppo F21 Pro and the Pro F21 Pro 5G smartphones. We got to use the 5G variant of the Oppo F21 Pro, which is priced at Rs 26,999. Wow, the stylish looking smartphone is. Point number 1. Oppo F21 Pro 5G is a lightweight and pretty looking smartphone. Oppo F21 Pro 5G resembles its 4G variant in terms of design. The major differentiators between the two is the rear camera module. The sleek and lightweight smartphone is easy to use with one hand. Its slab-like design will be liked by many. The glittery textures panel of the smartphone keeps fingerprints at bay. You will find the power button on the right, while the SIM card tray and volume rockers sit on the left. The bottom part is home to the USB Type-C charging port and the 3.5 mm audio jack. The rear houses a protruding triple rear camera setup, which makes the smartphone wobbly when kept on a flat surface. In all, the Oppo F21 Pro 5G is a pretty looking smartphone. Point number 2. Bright display but low refresh rate. Oppo F21 Pro 5G features a 6.43 inches Full HD Plus display with 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution. The display offers a 60 Hz refresh rate, which will not be liked by the many as its counterparts. Now up to the 120 Hz. The screen on the Oppo F21 Pro 5G offers 600 nits brightness, which makes it easy to use under direct sunlight. The screen is surrounded by slim bezels on all sides and it also offers wide viewing angles. The screen also offers bright and accurate color reproduction, and it also comes with Widevine L1 certification for HD content on OTT platforms. The screen also provided optimum result while playing games. Point number 3. Snappy performance thanks to the Qualcomm processor. The Oppo F21 Pro 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. User can further expand the storage by installing a microSD card. The smartphone easily handles all the routine tasks, and you also do not face any problem or lag during multitasking. The smartphone also very well handled video editing apps and some heavy duty games. However, you will feel a bit of heating issue with the smartphone after a gaming session of 30 minutes. Other than that, the smartphone well all smooth. Point number 4. The rear camera managed to deliver impressive shots. The Oppo F21 Pro 5G sports a triple rear camera setup with a 64MP main sensor with f1.7 aperture, 2MP monochrome and 2MP macro camera with f2.4 aperture. Oppo smartphones are known for their camera capabilities, and Oppo F21 Pro 5G is no different. The smartphone managed to deliver sharp image with good dynamic range and accurate color reproduction. The camera offers 6x zoom and it is able to capture zoomed image with a good amount of clarity and less noise. The monochrome sensor also delivers some amazing black and white shots. The macro camera also performs well during daylight, but the image quality deteriorates in low light. The night photography was also fine and you will get well lit images. Point number 5. The front camera delivers social worthy images. In terms of the front camera, the device houses a 16MP punch hole selfie camera sensor with an aperture 2.4 lens. The selfies are crisp with good color saturation. The camera automatically shifts to the wide angle mode when the artificial intelligence recognizes a group in the selfie frame. The user interface of the camera is simple and quick. Overall, the Oppo F21 Pro 5G can easily satisfy the camera needs of the most users with quick autofocus, color-rich image and impressive portrait mode. Point number 6. Features rich color OS 12. The smartphone runs Android 12 operating system topped with the company's own layer of the colors OS 12. The smartphone offers all the native features of Android 12 but Colors 12 improved its utility. The smartphone comes with its share of the bloatware, but if you can ignore that, you will have no